Hi.
Hi Sheila.
Habari yako?
Niko salama, nashukuru Mungu.
Asante. Your real name?
My name is Cyrus Aziz Ochieng.
And your nickname?
My nickname is the Senior Antidote.
Your age?
My age is 29 years old.
Okay. Where did you go to school?
Nilisoma shule nyingi. Primary, I went to Rikura Primary School, Stemton Academy. Then high school nikaenda Riyabu Secondary School, nikamalizia Nyangweta High School. Alafu college nikaenda Kips College.
Oh, what did you do on college?
Mass communication.
Okay. And are you a content creator?
Partially yes.
Okay.
But it is we do content with my wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Moto Wakigen by the Revivers Ministers Kisi.
And your song now, your personal song?
Oh, my personal song. Ninapenda inaitwaje? Ni mwema. Ni mwema ama umbali huu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend anaitwa Sharon Keuku Mosinya, my wife.
Oh, that is your wife. Okay. And which is your favorite TV program?
Rio Maria Sabato.
Which is aired on which days?
On Friday kama leo, 6 to 10 p.m.
And who is your favorite news anchor in Neta?
Neta TV, obviously, Eric Bosire.
Who is your mentor?
In terms of?
In the journalism industry.
Of course, Eric Bosire.
Okay, and what's your M-Pesa balance right now?
M-Pesa balance. Unataka ni check?
You can check.
Sioni kama niko na pesa siku hizi. I want to be serious for now. 1,200 shillings.
And which has ever been your broke M-Pesa balance?
Of course, I'm broke currently. Yeah.
And how much has this music industry ever paid you?
The most.
The most.
There is a month I was paid 100,000.
Okay. And what was your first job?
My first job, of course, working at Teta TV is my first job. Okay. Apart from the internships and attachments.
Okay. Have you ever been hurt?
Of course, yes. Yes.
And have you ever hurt someone?
No, I don't hurt people.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Cyrus.
Thank you so much, Sheila.
Do you have a question for me?
Are you dating currently?
No.
Would you like to date?
Yes.
Who is your favorite celebrity crush?
I'll mention, not mention now. Thank you for your